Welcome to Passport to Learning, your gateway to studying abroad, made simple.
Almighty. Today I am going to show you how to use Technische Hochschule Ingolstadt student portal. And a lot of students actually who are studying this university, they don't know actually the proper use of this portal, because who are studying in this university, you have to do your all activities through this university's portal. So if you don't know actually how to use this portal, you will not do your all universities related activities anymore. So I am going to show you. Sorry for internet distraction. So first of all, you have to open any browser and write down here thi.en/studies/application and the PRIMUSS student portal. Okay, no problem, I will give this link in the description box, and you can get this link from there. Or you can write down THI student portal. Then you will get directly, you will come THI website and see that student portal or students PRIMUSS portal. You can click here student PRIMUSS portal, and then select from here which universities you are studying. So as today I am going to show you the how to use Technische Hochschule Ingolstadt University's portal. So I click here, and you can, okay, just wait, and from here you can make it English, because someone you may don't understand Deutsch good. So this is why you can make it in English from here, and from above you can also make it in Deutsch. So today I would like to tell you about some information about how to use this portal, and from overview you can able to get all the information related to all the information about you. And see, actually first of all you have to log in by your university's mail and password. I am telling you the university's mail. For example, I am studying this university, so university provided me a mail or sent me a mail, and then also I set up a password, and by mail and the password I am using all the university's portal. Must remember about it. Without university's mail and password, you will not get the entry to any website or anywhere, I mean this university related product. So from overview we can see everything about yourself, and from my studies you can connect, and from here you can make it English, because someone may don't understand Deutsch good. So this is why you can make it in English from here, and from above you can also make it in Deutsch. So today I would like to tell you about some information about how to use this. If you have any question, announcement for examination, maybe actually there is a specific date for subject selection or subject registration for the semester. So as I am making this video at the last part, or in December, so this is why maybe time is over. You can select your subject from here by selecting your subject and also subject code, because each and every subject has a specific course. How you will know about the course? You can ask your classmates, or you can also ask your any professors, then they will give you the course code and the priority list. This is not, and you can see the class timetable from here. Click here, and for example I would like to see for 2025 and subject selection. No, actually this is important for you. For example, I would like to my department. Try to actually select your department from here, NI, so SMT my department, and I would like to SMT at SMT2 means that SMT second semester. I'm studying in SMT second semester, and I would like to see the class timetable for the main courses. And FU means elective course. FW means elective course. For example, I would like to see the main courses timetables from December 22 to 28. So you can see actually it's show the actually class schedule. There are no class at all because for Christmas vacation. So for example, I would like to see until 4th January. It's also vacation for 4th January. So I would like to see it until 15th January. See, actually there are showing actually what type of courses are available from 12th January to 18th January. So you can see from here your courses, your class timetables, and which room you can see, and which time you can see also from here. And yeah, this is very important for students who are studying this university. And for elective course, you can select FW. Then you can see actually the elective course class is available for this course in this room, and everything from here. Okay, so I am going back. Just wait. Okay, I'm coming the PRIMUSS portal. This is the cover page of this website, and you can see my examination. From the my examination, sorry, actually it's again change for maybe internet issue or like this. Then my examination. From the my or maybe internet issue or like this. Then my examination. From the my examination you can see
okay, so my examination
announcement about the examination.
You can see your overview of the exam marks, and from the registration examination you can see your exam registration easily. This is very easy way to see your exam registration, how many subjects you already registered for, and if you want to also exmatriculated your registration subject, you can also do it. You can see in the green button all registered subject which you already registered. So yeah, this is your registered second subject, third, fourth. Gradually you can see which are in green color. These are your registered subject, and you can also see that actually in front of your subject there is option for deregistration. For example, for your illness or any other issues, you can deregister the subjects, but must remember that presentation subjects and elective subjects are not eligible for deregistration, so must remember about it. And you can see every subject which you already registered for your course from here, and in the above you can also see the exam date, registration and deregistration date you can see. So must remember about the date, because university are so strict about their time, they will not extend even if you have emergency. So you can see also your final documents from here, and registration and submission of the final thesis, when you will go for thesis, and in which areas of research you would like to do your thesis. You can also submit from here. If you need any more information, then try to discuss with your professor. Then transfer credit and internship, this is also you can see, you can go the option and you can see all details about. And then application and message, this is a very important section for students. you will find your all documents, all PDF here, which sent it by university. And if you also would like for apply anything to the university's authority, you will have to apply through this option. And even someone for any issues, they will also what it say exmatriculated from the university, you can also find this option here. And this is a very important part of this PRIMUSS portal, PRIMUSS student portal. So you can find here everything. I hope if you will research little bit about this portal, you will able to understand everything easily. So don't worry for it, but it's very important for you as a student of THI. And you see select of application and everything you can find here, and you will also get the option for uploading your documents. I mean, you will get everything here. And you can see also application and messages, and you can see my account. From my account option, you can see each and every personal document of yourself. So you can see from here that all your overall information is okay or not. And from overview we can see overall information. And from my studies, I already described what you can see. From my study section, my examination, you can register and deregister for your final examination. And from my study, you can also see a number of options here. My study is very important, especially from message, especially from application and messages. You can see your all updates, and if you need any application to the university, you can also do it from here. So yeah, this is very very important. And if you are a student of THI, then you must have to know about the use of THI portal, and this is very important for you. If you don't know, after watching this video, please try to do it practically, and must remember that do not click anywhere else without concern, because it's me deregistered, you are exmatriculated from the university. So yeah, this is why I hope so that actually who are a student of THI, they are a little bit concerned about it, and you are mature enough. So this is why you will not click somewhere without concern. Okay, so you can browse it, but don't do anything without concern.